chemical manufacturing, lack of process control can have major consequences: poor product quality, lower yield, and sometimes something a lot worse. Process control requires reliable process analytics. Reliable process analytics requires regular sensor calibration and replacement. But how do you know when a sensor will need to be calibrated or replaced? ISM technology from METTLER Toledo monitors sensor health in real time. Advanced diagnostics calculated directly in the sensors predict to the day when sensor maintenance should be performed. The DLI shows you when a sensor will reach the end of its reliable working life. The ACT calculates when the sensor should next be calibrated, and the TTM indicates when cleaning will be necessary. Now, sensor maintenance can be planned for when it will truly be needed. With ISM Predictive Diagnostics, you can be sure processes are kept safe, process uptime is high, and productivity is maximized. Get your processes under control with ISM from METTLER Toledo.